Hi, so let's carry on. Question 11. So nice straightforward solving an equation. So first of all, let's write this out, but let's expand the bracket. So plus 5x minus 10, and that's equal to 3x plus 8. So if we collect up the terms on this side, we've got 7 and we've got minus 10. So this would be 5x, and then it's minus 3. And so that's equal to 3x plus 8. So this is an equation with variables on both sides, which is very, very standard. So minus in 3x on both sides, these cancel. So I'll get 2x minus 3 on this side, and that's equal to 8. And then I add 3 to both sides, these cancel, so I'll get 2x is equal to 11. And then I divide by 2 on both sides, so I get that x is equal to 11 divided by 2. So even if you don't know this, you do have a calculator for this exam, but x is 5.5. Okay, the next one. Make f the subject of the formula, and I have written over this a bit, so I'll write it out again a bit more cleanly. So h equals 13 minus 2f. So again, we just have to ask ourselves what it's actually asking for. So it just wants us to rearrange this equation to be f equals. So we'll start this off by just thinking of it as f is x, and like we did up here, and we just solve exactly like we did for this one. So we just want to rearrange to get f equals. So to do that, we got to get this 13 away, and then we got to divide away this 2. So let's get this 13 away by minusing 13. So 13 minus 13 will give you 0, and it'll cancel. So on the left, I've got h minus 13, and it's equal to minus 2f. And then we divide by minus 2 on both sides, so these cancel. And so on the right, I'll get f, and on this side, I'll get h minus 13 over minus 2. So what I can do here is I can take this minus out by swapping these two around. So f is 13 minus h over 2. And this last step may not be necessary, but generally speaking, you don't like to have negatives in the denominator, or we have a chance to remove it here, so we may as well. Right, last one, factorize 15x minus 35y. Okay, so this expression is made up of numbers, x's, and y's. So let's do numbers first of all. So let's open our bracket. So what we're taking out, what's the HCF of 15 and 35? It is 5. And then how many x's can we take out of each? None. How many y's can we take out of each? None. So we're done. So let's do how many 5's. What do I times 5 by to get to 15x? It is 3x. What do I times 5 by to get to negative 35y? It is minus 7y. And that's it. That is fully factorized.